Hey everyone, welcome to Ria Talks Gender Equality. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. Thanks a ton for giving so much love and support to all my videos so far. I'm really glad and thankful to each one of you. So today we'll be discussing about the most awaited topic. As I promised, yes, we will be discussing about the LGBTQIA plus section in our today's video. So while I was researching and studying about this community, obviously because I am also learning on the way, so I just came across a YouTube video wherein a very famous YouTuber was asking some random questions to some random people. I mean, people who were just kind of roaming around on the streets or sitting in the garden. She went on to a guy and she asked, "How would you react if tomorrow a person from same gender approaches you?" To which that guy surprisingly replied कि हमारी संस्कृति नहीं है मैम, ये सब तो बाहर के देश से आया है. And I was shocked. I mean, what kind of mentality is that? What are you trying to convey? What kind of message is that कि आज से पहले LGBTQIA सेक्शन के लोग हमारी कंट्री में होते ही नहीं थे, इंडिया में ऐसे लोग ही नहीं होते थे, एंड या ये कोई फैशन ट्रेंड है जो बाहर की कंट्री से आया है और हमने ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. What logic is that? The YouTuber then went on and asked another question to the same guy कि how would you react and behave if tomorrow your own son comes to you and confesses that he is a gay? To which that guy, as per my expectations by now clearly, started laughing non-stop. Like seriously, he was laughing non-stop. And once he finished laughing, he said कि थप्पड़ मारूंगा सबसे पहले तो उसको और बोलूंगा कि हमारी कम्युनिटी में अलाउड नहीं है ये सब. उसको लड़का बना देंगे, इंडिया से बाहर ही शिफ्ट कर देंगे. एंड देन ही अगेन स्टार्टेड लाफिंग एंड सेड कि मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा. अब मैम आपको कैसे समझाऊं मैं, कैसे कोई लेस्बियन और गे हो सकता है यार? आई मीन, at a point he was thinking that the YouTuber is a dumb person who is asking such kind of question. The question in itself is wrong or dumb. Then the YouTuber went on and asked the same question to a lady, and she replied, thinking she is kind enough as compared to others. She said कि अब मूड तो खराब होगा obviously, बट कर भी क्या सकते हैं ना, आजकल के जमाने में कुछ कह भी तो नहीं सकते किसी को, तो एक्सेप्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. सो एंड इन हर माइंड प्रॉब्ली शी वॉज थिंकिंग कि बाकियों के कंपैरिजन में तो यार मैं ठीक ही हूं, एटलीस्ट मैं एक्सेप्ट तो कर रही हूं. आई वॉज स्पीचलेस आफ्टर दिस. आई मीन, आई एक्चुअली हैड अ प्लान टू make a video wherein I wanted to really talk about LGBTQIA section, wherein I wanted to specify the meaning of lesbians, gays, transgenders, and every particular gender associated with this community. I wanted to talk about them individually. I mean, what exactly are they? What are their traits? But once I came across this video, I changed my mind completely. I had to change my mind because there's no point talking about the meanings of these genders unless we are not, in that state of mind ki it's not a disease. We need to accept this first. जब तक हम यही accept नहीं कर सकते, there's no point discussing about the meanings of those genders. Because see, simple thing है यार बहुत कि एक ऑपोजिट जेंडर को की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होना और टू लाइक समबडी ऑफ ऑपोजिट जेंडर इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल फॉर मी, फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ यू, बट माइट नॉट बी नॉर्मल फॉर सम अदर पर्सन. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दैट इज अ डिजीज या वो कोई क्राइम है. जब भी कोई LGBTQIA सेक्शन का पर्सन हमको पता लगता है कि अच्छा उसका नेबर है या उसका फ्रेंड है या उसका बच्चा है, what is the first thing that we get to hear is कि अरे उन लोगों ने तो ये बात छुपा के रखी है, बताई नहीं है किसी को भी, या फिर बहुत डॉक्टर्स को दिखा लिया, ठीक करवाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कैसे भी ये बीमारी ठीक हो जाए. Dude, this is not a बीमारी. Girls, this is not a बीमारी. They are absolutely as normal as we all are. अगर तुम्हारा जेंडर कोई चेंज करवाने लगे जबरदस्ती, इफ यू आर अ मैन और तुमको जबरदस्ती कोई विमेन की तरफ फील करवाने का ट्राई करे और वाइस वर्सा, will you be able to accept it? Is that even possible? And why the hell would somebody should do that? Right? So it's absolutely normal for us to get attracted to opposite gender. Likewise, it is absolutely normal for them to get attracted to same gender or to opposite gender or to both genders or to nobody at all. It's absolutely as normal as us. And also, एक चीज I really wanted to say here कि just like women, कि ठीक है, I'm not talking about men at this moment. I specifically want to ask this question to all the women out there कि if you are a woman and watching this video right now, please ask yourself कि at least once in life, क्योंकि जैसी हमारी society, I'm really pretty sure about it, once in life at least you would have fought for one tiny thing at least जहाँ पे you felt कि नहीं, this is a male dominant society and that is why I'm not being treated equal to a male counterpart of mine, maybe my boyfriend, maybe my father, maybe my brother. So this is not something I'm being treated equally at, तो मुझे इस चीज के लिए लड़ना है. You felt that, right? At some point in your life. तो then why cannot you accept LGBTQIA section के लोगों को? Why? This is exactly the same thing that you are doing to LGBTQIA section, which is being done to you by the male section. तो अगर आपको acceptance नहीं मिल रहा है, equal acceptance नहीं मिल रहा है by the male society, तो how can you not accept LGBTQIA society? मतलब या तो आप उनसे एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि आपको इक्वालिटी मिले, और अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो तो फिर आप वो सेम चीज दूसरे सेक्शन को दो भी ना जहां पे ये मिसिंग है. Let's not be hypocrites. Like I said in my previous video also, let's not be hypocrites, right? All right, that's what I wanted to talk about right now. I'll surely, hopefully will come up with a video wherein I'll talk about the LGBTQIA full form and its meaning and everything. But for now, please do drop a comment and let me know what is that one thing or many things that, brings in the hesitation of talking about this particular community, of accepting this community, and what can we change about it? How can we work upon this problem, right? So, or there could be any incident which you might want to share, okay? So please do drop a comment and let's please talk about it and make this thing a normal topic, please, okay? All right, I hope my message has reached to you all, and I think this gives you some food for thought. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share it with maximum people to reach my to make my voice reach. And please obviously subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. All right, bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.